Hi there, this is the Module 4 video. So in this module, we're going to continue looking at how to summarize different types of data. And in particular, in this module, we're going to focus on quantitative data. And similar to last time, what you're going to see in this module is there's probably some calculations that you have seen before. So for example, when describing the center of a quantitative variable, we're going to do things like calculate the mean and the median. The difference here is you've probably calculated the mean of a data set before. You add up all the data points and divide by the total number. And you probably focused on that calculation. Well, now we're going to do the calculations, but we also want to talk about what is it that the mean tells us about the data set, because that's the whole reason we're calculating it in the first place. We don't want to have to look at 1,000 observations of, say, people's weights. We want some kind of quick summary of those observations so that we can get informative information. And one way we can do that is by calculating the different numerical summaries. So you're going to look at the mean and the median and the mode, and you're going to compare and contrast those three and what they tell you about a data set. We're also going to calculate some values that you may have not seen before, such as the standard deviation. Now, when you get to standard deviation, that one does have a little bit more of a complicated formula, but you'll see in the notes I've broken that formula down for you and show you how you can use a table to quickly calculate that. So again, similar to what you looked at last time, your goal is not just to be able to calculate these things. Yes, that's important because you need to be able to do it, but in all honesty, most of the time you're not going to do that by hand. More importantly, it's to know what these things tell you about the data set. How do they help you summarize and learn about the observations in a data set? So as always, if you have any questions, please use that general discussion board, post lots of questions. That's when I'm here to help. And I will, actually, before I leave here, just as a reminder, Module 5 is going to be our first exam. So if you have any questions about studying for that, let me know. In the Module 5 folder, you are going to get a study guide with solutions. And so I'll talk about that more in the Module 5 video. But in the meantime, I hope you have a great day. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know.